Hello, James here, Cobra Engineering. Another real quick tip for you. This will be real short. Here you can see I just got a regular folding table I set up. I've been working on that engine just like the previous videos. Now the key here is white paper. Now you can go to your dollar store or any store and grab a cheap tablecloth or something. Set that up on there, maybe even 2 layers. The nice part about this is as you're working and you got some notes to scribble down, you just scribble that down. We all know push rods suck. Gotta definitely take notes of that. And then also, as I've been pulling some of the timing components off of here, I always keep a Tupperware bin. They're in there, they're covered. Things aren't happening to those. Are already clean parts. Just like we keep the engine bagged up when we're not doing stuff, we keep the parts off of the engine controlled and clean. Under the table, I've always got a box of rags. I got a trash box, can, anything down there. Just everything's nice. While I'm sitting in the chair working, right on my knee, there's always a rag. I'm wiping my hands. Real easy, simple things. It's going to make your life a lot easier. You take that paper off whenever you're done with a project, throw it away, put a new one on there, you're starting fresh, you're clean. That's it for today, a real simple tip to help you keep everything straight and clean, and hopefully your notes actually keep your head in the game. As you see, I got the degree wheel on, starting to work on the timing degree in the cams video. So please subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you soon.